Hello, in front of me I have iPhone 17, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset this device. Okay, we have three methods how we can do it, and I'm about to show you all of them. The first method is the easiest one. It's simply through the settings. So let's open them up. Now, we need to open up the general, scroll down all the way until you find transfer or reset iPhone. Simply click on that. And now, to reset our iPhone, we need to click on erase all content and settings. But be aware that resetting your device will cause this, that all of your data will be erased. So what I like to do is to simply create a backup of our data. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step. So if you want, you can look for it. So to erase the data, simply click on erase all content and settings, just like that. And now click on continue. You will have to type the password into your Apple account to confirm. After that, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be turned on automatically, and the next thing that you need to do is to set up your device. That's the first method. The second one is by using the Mac. So let me create a little bit of the space right in here, and I'll show you how you can do it. Okay, I have my Mac next to me. Also, you will have to connect your iPhone into your Mac using the USB-C cable. So in here I have now I will plug my iPhone. If you are connecting your iPhone for the first time into any computer, you will see a notification, do you want to trust this computer? Simply click on trust. Now I will get my Mac. I'll show you the screen, what to do. Okay, now once you have connected your iPhone, you need to open up the Finder app. That's this app. Now find the locations, select your iPhone, and now to reset it, we need to click on Restore iPhone. After that, the process will start. We will see a bar on the bottom, and it's going to fulfill. And when it fulfills, our iPhone will be turned off. We will see an Apple logo and another bar that is going to start to fulfill. Simply wait until the process is done, and then the setup process will also launch, and then we need to simply go through it. That's the second method, and now I will show you the third method. In this case, I'll show you how to do it on a PC or laptop, but with Windows. So give me a second and I'll see you on my desktop. Alright, again, we need to connect our iPhone into our computer. And now on Windows, we will have to download the Apple Devices app from the Microsoft Store. To launch the Microsoft Store, simply click on this bar. In here, type Microsoft Store. Once it's turned on, click the search bar, type Apple Devices, download this app. Then click on open, and now as you take a look, it looks almost the same, just like on the Mac. And in here again we need to click on restore iPhone, but before going we need to turn off find my mobile function on our iPhone. It will also appear when you are doing it on the Mac. So let me show you how you can do it. Open up the settings. Now we need to click on our Apple account, click on Find My, click on Find My iPhone, and we need to turn it off right in here. Now we need to also type the password into our Apple account to confirm. So that's what I'm about to do right now. And once you have typed it, click on Turn Off. Okay. Now we can click on OK in our app, and then again click on Restore iPhone. Now the app wants us to create a backup. You can do it right now. If you don't know how to do it, also on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to do it. In my case, I will click Don't Backup because I have my backup already created. And now click on Restore. Click on Next. Click on Agree. Alright, and now as you take a look on the bottom, we have the bar that is starting to fulfill downloading iPhone software update. Now we need to simply wait until it gets into the opposite edge and until it's finished. After that, your device will be turned off. I think that the Apple logo will appear in the middle of the screen with another bar. Simply wait until it's fulfilled, and after that the setup process will launch, and then simply go through it to start using your iPhone. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.